Get ready. You are about to see two amazing pull-up variations. One you very unlikely have never seen is the in and out. It's a combination of an isometric and dynamic exercise. And the second one are basic towel pull-ups. Keep watching. Let's get started. So the setup is very simple. By the way, that's an older Julio, a couple of years younger. You basically pull yourself up until your elbows are 90 degrees. And then you gently are going to pull yourself forward and back using your mid-trap strength. So your mid-traps are going to be working dynamically and your lats are going to be working isometrically. Alright, so here we are on to the chin-up variation with towels. So the only thing I would suggest is the thickness of the towels is going to make a major difference. Obviously, the thicker the towels, the harder it is, the easier it is to grip, and the thinner it is, the harder it is. They both have depth benefit. So what do you think? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and post your comments.